Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Pinterest affiliate program review and breaking down what it is, how it works, the good parts, the drawbacks, and who it might be best for. The Pinterest affiliate program lets creators earn money by promoting products on Pinterest. Instead of just pinning images for inspiration, you can add affiliate links to pins that lead to products on sites like Amazon or other partner stores. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This turns Pinterest into a potential revenue source rather than just a place to share ideas and mood boards. One of the biggest strengths of the Pinterest affiliate program is how visual and discovery-driven Pinterest is. People come to Pinterest to search for ideas, inspiration, and products they want to buy, which means affiliate links can perform well when placed in the right pins with good visuals. Compelling images and clear descriptions can attract clicks and encourage purchases. Another advantage is that Pinterest's search and recommendation features help pins get discovered over time. A pin you create today can continue to bring traffic and clicks weeks or months later, which makes affiliate income more passive compared to some other platforms. Once a pin gains traction, it can keep earning without constant posting or engagement. Pinterest also provides tools and analytics to help you track how your pins are performing. You can see which pins are getting clicks and engagement, which helps you optimize your strategy and focus on the pins that drive the most traffic. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Success in the Pinterest affiliate program is not guaranteed, and it often requires consistent effort and high-quality visuals to make affiliate pins stand out. Simply adding affiliate links without strong images or compelling descriptions is unlikely to generate significant income. Another limitation is that Pinterest's audience tends to be specific in its behavior. Trends, seasons, and niche interests can affect how well affiliate pins perform. So what works well one month might not perform as strongly the next if audience interests shift. This means you need to stay aware of trends and update your content strategy accordingly. Pinterest also has policies about affiliate links, and you need to follow them to avoid having pins removed or accounts restricted. Reading and understanding Pinterest affiliate and community policies is important so you don't unintentionally break rules. So, who is the Pinterest affiliate program best for? It works well for creators and content makers who enjoy visual storytelling and have a knack for design or product curation. If you already use Pinterest regularly and understand what kinds of pins get shared and clicked, adding affiliate links can be a natural next step. It's also a good fit for people building niche boards around products like fashion, home decor, recipes, fitness gear, and similar categories where people are actively looking to buy or get inspired. Overall, the Pinterest affiliate program offers a way to earn money through a platform people already use for discovery and ideas. It can be a solid option for creative entrepreneurs who are willing to invest in high-quality visual content and learn how Pinterest search and trends work. The income potential varies, and success usually requires ongoing optimization and strategic pin creation. But for many creators, the passive traffic and click-throughs can make it worthwhile. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.